Hi there, so as the World Cup is coming, you might be interested in this amazing new app on your Fire Stick, which is called a World Cup Tracker. Basically, it's an app for the football championship which you can use to track all the details and all the news about the cup. As you can see, you can take a look at all the group standings, Group A, Group B, C, and so on, as well as the trending games, knockout schedule, tournament venues, take a look at the list of all matches, and so on. So the tournament has not started yet, at least while I am recording this video, so there are more features that are coming in the upcoming days. So here you can see the standings. So when the tournament starts, you'll see all the results, wins, losses, scores, and so on. Of course, you can take a look at top scorers. Right here, obviously the list is still empty because the tournament has not started yet. As well as there is a tab for results of all the games that are going to happen, teams where you can take a look at all the countries that take part in the cup, and of course the venues. So if you are interested in more details about each of the stadiums, you can click on them and take a look about capacity, city, surface, and of course the address of this stadium. So this app is totally free to use, free to install, and today I'm going to show you how to get it to your device. But keep in mind, you can only use it as a tracker or as a companion app for the details of the matches. However, you will not be able to watch any content inside this application. It is not a live streaming and it's not a sports streaming application. It is only a companion app. And now the very first step you have to take to get this application is of course get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. And to do so, we need to go to search on your device, open the search bar and start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us right there on the right side. You click on it, give it a moment to load, and here's the app, which you need to get to your device. But after you've got the loader, it's not over yet, because of course you still need to set it up. So in order to set up the loader, we are going to go into settings. So click on that menu button right here and then press on the settings button. After that, you have to go to My Fire TV and then we'll need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go into the installation of unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn these options on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps, which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on your device. Here we go, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. Now the Downloader will open in just a moment. Here we go. And here at the top, there is the search bar. We open it, and now it is time to enter the code. So the code is going to be 8721517. So once again, it's 8721517. That's the code you will have to enter on the Downloader application. After that, you will click on Next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And the download of the app has started now. Just give it a moment for the download to fully finish. Then click install right here, and now the app will also be installed on your device. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. Now, the next step is we go to the list of applications Fire Stick, and here at the very back you will finally see the World Cup tracker. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. You hold it down and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and that way the app will always be at the very beginning of your application list. At least it should appear there. If it did not happen, just repeat the process, and yeah, now you will be able to see it at the very top. So once again, it is just for easy access of the application. Then you will just click on that new application you got. Then you will see this page with terms of service as well as privacy policy. So you can just scroll down on all the policies, read through all the text as well as terms, and then click on proceed and press the agree button. As you can see now, it also has a tracker to when the tournament will actually begin. Click on continue to the app, and now you will see all those features that I told you about in the beginning of this video. So once again, there are standings, top scores, results, teams, venues, as well as training games, group standings, knockout schedules, and so on. So I hope you will enjoy this application, as well as the tournament itself, of course. And as always, see you next time. Bye bye.